Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my Creative Notions bag and this is just the mailer, and inside we get this lovely bag. So let's get this open and see what we got. Okay. Oops, I'm having a hard time getting that one open. Ugh. Okay, here we go. And they always slide everything in real nice on the inside. Oh, hold on. There's candy. Okay, so it looks like we got some Starburst. Okay, I got a couple of Starburst, a red and a pink. Okay, so let me find, is this the, okay. Creative Notions subscription, April 2021, featuring a country weekend from Lisa Audit. Okay. All right, let's get down to the April winners. Let's do that. The project winner is, there are two project winners. Kathy Blow for the Dottie Sampler and Margaret Clark for the Table Topper. We have a block winner, Joy Wilcox. A recipe winner, Chloe Davenport, and her recipe is chocolate peanut butter pie. Sounds great. And then the fabric guest winner is Carol Shook and Annette Mandel. I think that's two different people. So apparently two people won that one. Okay, let's see. Okay, so she has all of the contents and their value. Just an update about the new website's taking just a slightly bit longer than she expected, so that's coming, still coming. How to win a pack of 2.5-inch strips, $40 value. 1. Make something from the fabric from any of the Creative Notions subscription, past or present, and post it on social media and tag Creative Notions Quilt Shop. Number 2, try to guess the next fabric line from the clues posted on our Creative Notions Facebook group page. Number 3, submit your own quilt block design to info@creativenosionsquiltshop.com and in the subject bar put block contest. And number 4, make and post a picture of a recipe from our subscriber recipe book. The winners will receive a pre-cut of fabric. Announcing a new way to win. Use your leftover fabrics from your bag each month and make something from them. Post a picture on social media or text it to Vickie. You can use the new paper piecing pad you got in this month's bag if you want to. Let's use up the scraps to win. And subscribers get 15% off online purchases in the store. Okay, so let's get going. Oh my goodness, this popped into my mind first, or into my head first. This is like so cute. It is a keychain charm, and it's a little camper, which is the logo for Creative Notions, and I'm pretty sure that Vickie is in her camper right now. I think she told us that. Put that over there. Okay, there's always so much stuff in here. I never know what to go first. Okay. Subscribers Block of the Month competition. This is the Cobra Pinwheel by Joy Wilcox. There is A, B, and C way to do this. I kind of like this one, but they're both nice. I would say that's number 1 for me, that's number 2, and that's number 3. That's what I would say. If anybody's asking, I have no idea why that's like that. But anyway, that is the block. And we have instructions on how to make it, which is super cool. And let's see. I don't think that's it. I think that what they do is, don't they like make a quilt with, okay, maybe not. that's just the block that she came up with. Okay. Holy cow. Okay, so we have some foundation paper for string blocks. There are 50 sheets. Really? Holy cow. These are some things you can do with the paper. Yeah, so there's 50 sheets in here. It's amazing. Okay, we got that. And then we have a pattern for a sewing machine mat and accessories. And there they are. Let's see. The requirements are fat quarters, scraps, or approximately 1.5 yards of fabric, a 1/2 inch swivel clip and D-ring, 1/2 yard of fusible interfacing, 1 18 by 58 inch package of By Annie's Soft and Stable, 3 inches of hook and loop tape or cam snaps, sew-in snaps or regular snaps. By the way, hook and loop tape is Velcro. I just want to let you know, because the first time I ever saw that took me about 3 hours to figure out what that was at Joann's. Asking a million people what hook and loop tape is, nobody knew. Just want to let you know that now I will never forget that it's Velcro. You're going to need basting spray, a 20-inch dowel rod, 3/8 inch thick, a thread cutting mat. You're going to need a thread cutting mat? What is that? There might be an explanation inside. I hope so, because I'm not sure what that is. A ruler and rotary cutter. Oh, you know what? I bet it's supposed to be thread, cutting mat. No problem. They always get mad at me whenever I do say this, but I mean, never mind. I'm not even going to say anything. You're going to need thread. You're going to need a cutting mat, a ruler and a rotary cutter, iron, a pressing mat, and a sewing machine. Okay. And you'll be able to make all of these lovely things with patterns inside. Okay. We have a ruler. I think that she's given us a ruler like every month. I think that's the plan. And this one is a 4.5 inch square up ruler, and it's got Creative Notions on it. Let me see. Is there like I might have a white sheet of paper somewhere where I could let you see what it looks like. Hold on one sec. This is just something else I'm working on, but you'll be able to see it in there. So it's a 4.5 inch square up ruler. It's got Creative Notions on it and her little camper, and it's super cute. Okay. And then we also have a little bag to keep stuff in. You could keep that ruler in here because it fits nice, and it matches. Okay, and now we are at the fabric, and oh my goodness, she also gave us, so here's the fabric, and she gave us a little pair of snips. Very cute. I like how the snips, like, match the fabric. Okay, let's get it open. And those are so cute. I don't think I have a green pair with the X's on it, or crosses, whatever you want to call them. So that's really cute. Okay, so here we go. Let me open this up. And we always get 8 fat quarters. I think that's what this is. We actually have 9 pieces of fabric here. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces of fabric. Okay. I don't know why I thought it was 8. Maybe we're just getting a little lagniappe this month. I'm not sure. Okay, so here is, let me make sure I got the name of the fabric right. Is it on here? It is Lisa Audit. and it's called A Country Weekend, and it is for Wilmington Fabrics. Okay, here's the first one. All right, just gonna kind of scooch it. And here is the second one. It's got stuff on it like happiness is homemade, choose joy, give thanks, nature. I'm not sure what that says. Nature figure 1. I'm really not sure because that doesn't seem right to me, but that's probably it. Wings figure 02. I guess that's what it says. Yep, lots of birds and butterflies, etc. Making sure I put these right. And here's the next one. And this is just like that first pink one. I think it is. Nope, it's different. I don't know why I thought it was the same, but it's not. It's got like less prints on it. I was thinking it was like the green colorway of that first one, but it's not. And here is the next one. This one's kind of cute. I like this one for like a little blender. And I think it's got a little baby bird. I don't know what that is. Is it birds or is it just leaves? It might just be leaves. I thought it was little birds at first, but I don't think so. And these are definitely birds. And here is the next one. This is pretty. And this might be a different colorway of that first one. The first one was had like a pink background, and this one is sort of a very, very, very light green, I think. Hold on. I think so. And then here is the last one. Okay, so those are the fat quarters, and again, that is A Country Life. I'm pretty sure I'm remembering that right. I keep losing all the paperwork. A Country Weekend, I'm sorry. A Country Weekend from Lisa Audit for Wilmington. And then there's also this Country Weekend quilt idea. Okay, so the Cobra Pinwheel, that was the submission by the member who won. Who was that? It's right here. Joy Wilcox is incorporated in this quilt, and Vickie says that she also has the panels for sale in her shop. And don't forget, we get that 15% off. So if you want to go and get those panels, you can get 15% off. And then you can make this quilt, which is really, really nice. I think it's beautiful. Very nice use of the subscriber block of the month. And yeah, I mean, if I were making anything, I would make this. I think it looks really nice. And it tells you on the back what cuts you need and how much you need of them. So that if you're going to need to go and make another purchase, you can make sure that you're not getting too much, or, you know, whatever. She gives you exactly what you need for that. So, this has been a really good box, I think. I'd really like to hear your opinions. I think through the grapevine, I heard that there were a lot of people very, very happy with theirs. So please leave some memos down, or some comments down below. Memos. Where am I? What am I? Leave some comments down below. I know that Vickie reads them and she loves hearing what you guys have to say. And I love hearing what you guys have to say too. So I will catch you on the next one. Thanks so much for coming and watching, and have a great week. Mwah.